Let's make this creamy chicken curry, which is a perfect blend of warm Indian spices with creamy coolness of cashew paste, rewarding you with a soulful and satisfying chicken curry meal. Even when you are very mindful of what you are eating daily and being extremely cautious of your calorie consumption, I am sure there are days when you go for something a little more indulgent. In this chicken curry, where I have not used onion as well as garlic. To know in more details, you have to watch the entire video. So, hello and welcome back to my channel once again, and this is Smita. So, before I move on and show you the entire recipe, let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are sesame seed, cashew, ginger, green chili, red chili whole, tomato, with that salt, sugar, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and our lovely chicken, where I have used 750 grams of chicken with bones. Now, in a mixer grinder, add one large tomato. After adding the tomato, add 2 to 3 red chili. These chilies are only for color. Next, add 2 to 3 green chili, though adjust according to your taste bud, and 3 to 4 strips of ginger. Now make a fine paste, though if needed you can also add water and make a fine paste. After that, keep this paste aside for the later part of the recipe. Now in a pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil, and once the oil heat up, then add 500 grams of chicken cut it into medium size. After transferring the entire chicken into the pan, then add half teaspoon of salt and then stir well and fry for 4 to 5 minutes in a medium high flame until it changes its color. And once you notice that the chicken has changes its color to pink to light brown, at that point of time, check the tenderness of chicken and remove it from the pan. After that, into that same oil, we will add the tomato paste which we have done at the beginning of the starting of this recipe. Now add the masala paste into this oil and stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. After transferring the masala paste into the pan, stir for 1 to 2 minutes and then add some basic spices. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of sugar to adjust the taste. Now again stir for some time or until the raw smell goes away from this masala. On the other side, we will make another paste. For this, take the mixer grinder, add 8 to 10 cashew and 2 tablespoons of sesame seed, add little water and make a fine paste. Next, add this cashew paste into the tomato paste. Stir everything well, though don't forget to wash the mixer grinder and add the paste too, so nothing go waste. Finally, give a good stir in a medium high flame. Then add the fried chicken into this gravy. Do you know that to satisfy my occasional craving for something super tasty yet not too damaging my routine, I made this restaurant style creamy cashew chicken curry, which gave me the feel of dining at a restaurant but without the lot of guilt. And as this recipe is very different from rest of the recipes which are easily available in the internet today, and I'm sure that if you try it once, then you will fall in love with this chicken curry recipe. And if you think today's recipe is worth it and you really like it, then don't forget to comment in my comment section below. And this warm, wholesome cashew chicken curry will not only fill you up but always rejuvenate your mind. Also, it's much lighter than a butter chicken as it is not loaded with dairy cream, onion or garlic. So why are you waiting for? Those who are new in my channel, do subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So when I upload my next recipe, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another unique recipe like this. Till then, bye bye.